Hello everyone, my name is Akash and this is my AKV channel. So I hope you are doing well. So all the everyone, firstly I will told you about data filter option in data menu. So firstly, these are our data, and in this data we apply data filter, advanced data filter. Uh, so firstly, choose from here heading bar. So firstly, use heading option in data validation. So select heading. After that, go to data menu, and from here select data validation option, and in this setting select list option. So source is from here from here to there, from here to there. Okay, that's it. After that, okay, press okay. Okay, done. So here control C, and this menu from select control B. Okay, wait for few minutes, control B. Okay, that's it. So shift select here to there, and alt h m enter. So uh, merge. After that, this list carry from this heading list, create a list. So here apply data advanced data filter. So use from this range, use some function, from selection, select our active sheet to here, shift from here, alt h m enter, merge and center. After that, go to data menu. After that, data validation. So select from this list, option list option, and source will give from here to there. Okay, that's it. And press ok and apply from here to there list, create list to here, and open this list. Alt yeah, press here and open the list. So choose from here any option, such as egg. So apply advanced filter option. So firstly, uh, automatic generate advanced filter, insert menu and shape, create a button for press this shape like a button. So click here, and size according our text, and in this shape we entered a name for running our automatic working in of data advanced filter. So give the name show name. Okay, and so firstly, go to view menu, and macro record macro, give the name is anything you can give the name. So I'm giving the name advance. Okay, that's it. And if you like, give the short key. So I'm not giving short key. After that, press enter password, because I protected my sheet. So my password is Akash. Okay, sorry, Akash. Okay, yeah. So macro enable record active, re again record macro, because you clearly understand. So name is automatic, like my, according to like my. Okay, so go to data menu, and from here advanced filter. Okay, so first option, filter the list in place. So list range is from here, from here from here to there. Okay, that's it, done. And okay, and criteria range is from here to there. Okay, that's it, done. Okay, and go to view menu, and macro option, stop recording. Okay, now uh, give the assign, attach the our macro recording from this button, right click, assign macro, and that's name is automatic. Okay, that's it. Okay, after that from here automatic apply filter, here choose marbo. Okay, show, no any marbo option, no problem. And actual stock, no, select here product name, because our marbo is product name, so here marbo. Okay, show marbo. Okay, and lily automatic filter apply from automatic coding visual, yeah, macro, from macro. Pista, click. Okay, enter. If you want all the data, so delete here, and click here, show. Okay, your data is ready. So as per your requirement, you for example badam, control C, control B, and control B. Okay, that's it. After that, here select the badam item, BADAM. Okay, and show. This is apply filter, auto filter by macro, automatic. Okay, that's it, and clean. So okay, show, and all menu is here. So this is first option of advanced filter. And next is go to Excel option, and select advanced. After that, use from here show the sheet, because I hided the sheet, show sheet. Okay, below show the sheet's name. Okay, so firstly I want filter from here to next sheet, data automatic carry. So create here automatic carry. So here control V, heading bar. Okay, that's it. So I should I think this menu. Okay, that's it. Okay, so from here listening, firstly I from here control C and enter. Okay, product name. Okay, and here item name. So for item name, giving from here this option, control X, control down, and control V. Here our data validation option showing. So here insert shape menu, and choose any shape for making button. So name run. Okay, that's it. After that, go to view option, and view record macro. Okay, name is giving name automatic 2. As per I like your requirement. So automatic 2. Okay, after that okay press. So macro is running, so go to data menu and choose from in this menu advanced, and as far as I have told you, first option, and next option is copy to another location. Okay, list range, your list range is from here, from here. Okay, from here to there, from here to there. Okay, after that click here, and criteria range is your criteria range is here. Okay, select here. Okay, and copy to, I want copy uh, under this heading. Okay, that's it. After that okay, after that go to view menu, macro, and stop recording. That's it. And connect from macro to from this shape, assign, go to assign option and choose from here automatic to name, macro name. Okay, that's it. And choose from here according your badam. So badam run, all the badam list is here. And next option is your requirement, no any option. So next is as per your requirement. So clean here all the data. So firstly here from here control C and enter badam, delete badam. So run, all data is here. So that's it. This is our automatic filter, advanced filter for automation. So next I am going to tell you about HLOOKUP function. So HLOOKUP function. So firstly I want from here, I want from here control V, control V. Okay, that's it. So I want so I want here apply HLOOKUP. So firstly HLOOKUP is equal to HLOOKUP function. Okay, and lookup value this, and table array from here to there. Okay, from here to there. Okay, that's it. And after that row index number, temporary I gives 3. Okay, comma 0 enter. Okay, 90. Okay, opening quantity 390 era, this is our quantity opening 3 row number. So here put advanced function. So firstly I want click here for Marvo, MARVO, Marvo. So no any changes here. So I want changes from according here, ruk here. Okay, so apply is equal to match match option, and this is our lookup value. And from here giving the name option, giving the location number. Yes, 5. Marvo is 5 position, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and this apply, this formula apply control X in this range, control V, wait, control Z and F2, and apply this formula control X enter, and here F2 3 की जगह replace from formula enter. Okay, that's it. And connect and I want butter 90. Here choose butter, butter, butter 90.5, 90.5. Automatic. Badam, badam 125. Here wrote Akash, and here Akash, Akash. Okay, 800. So Akash is 800. Okay. And this is advanced formula. So I want here put row function. So next formula is equal to HLOOKUP, and put here, no problem, put here. So match row, ROW, row. Enter. Wait. So delete here this row, delete from here. Okay, enter. 100 add by, because is equal to ROW, enter. This is 9 number row and this is 9 number result. So here 8108 Akash. Wait, Akash. Here not 108. Here this range 108. I want row option. So apply. So wait 108,800. So you choose here row, HLOOKUP this value and this row number. Here minus 2, so 800 this range. Okay, after that you choose badam, enter. No any change because this area automatic selected. Row automatic select -2. So it's for apply here advanced filtering. Apply here next formula is minus MATCH, match value, and match value this function, okay, comma, and this criteria in this range. So here to there select and comma 0, press enter. Okay, 197. Now we can see changes. Akash, see here 90, 800, 90 this range. So so that is we apply double formula. This is means 9 and Akash is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 9 minus 2, it's mean this value. So that's it. So I hope you like my video. So thank you. Okay, bye.